We will now look at how to add a new pack size or new package to a product that has more than one existing pack size. So I have already selected the product and the scope and filled in the procedural details in previous sections, and we will just look at the present and proposed section here. So here we can add the details of the existing packages if needed. And in the proposed, we will add details of the new pack size that we are adding as a part of this variation. So here I will add new multi-pack. We will then move into the selected scopes. So I am now doing a change outside the currently approved range. So we will select this scope and we will move to select the impacted medicinal product. So here, this particular medicinal product already has 3 packages. In order to add a new package, we will click here, Add Package, and we will select the corresponding packs, medicinal product from the list. If you have more than one medicinal product, please pay attention that you are selecting the same that you selected in the previous window. And we will then include the proposed MA number. Of course, in reality, you may not know the final digits of this new proposed MA number. So you can, for example, type XXX, leave it empty at 0, type to be confirmed. And then in this column, pack size, you will add the details of the new pack size. So for example, as we're doing, adding a new pack size outside the range of already approved packages, we will add the details here. This is, of course, totally dependent on the change what you're doing, but add as much detail as relevant and needed. And then you click Submit. As this change is for a medicinal product that has more than one existing pack size, none of the pack sizes are yet selected. And now as we have added this new package, the newly added package is auto selected. There is no need to untick any of the existing packages, which you would need to do in case if you have only one existing package. So you can check here that the details are correct. The product details, for example, the EMA number, product number, is inherited from the medicinal product. If you see any errors, you can then click to delete the pack size and redo the exercise. Or if everything is correct, you can simply leave that and click Save. And once the entry is saved, we can go and have a look in the product selection window where you will be able to see the newly added pending pack size. So of course, until this variation is approved, this pack size will not appear in any of the newly or other EAFs that you attempt to create. So only upon approval of this variation, you would then have this pack size available for selection in other variations. And here we can now look at the generated PDF for this particular variation form where we added new pack size. So here, when we look at the section 2, we can see the pack size that I added for the 50 units strength here. And when we move to the section 3 to look at present and proposed, we can see the variation adding a new pack size outside the range of currently approved. And here, when we look at this, so this is what I added in the present and proposed section. So we have the details of the existing pack sizes. In the proposed, I wrote new multi-pack in the proposed field. We can see that the present and proposed section details that change in section 2. And here we can see the new package details. So here I've given a description for this new multi-pack, and here you can see the details that have been added for the new MA number.